know what time it is.
Yeah, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch, Jada Pinkett.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're not. Today we're going to be filming another haul. This time it's from the brand Emmiol, or I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. But this is how you spell it. This is their website. They are an international women's brand. I've seen so many ads on the internet of them and they just look really great. Like, they kind of seem like too good to be true because the prices are pretty affordable and the designs look so cute and so trendy, and they also look really well made. So yeah, I'm so happy that they sent me a PR package because we're gonna find out if, you know, it's as good as it seems. They also were so nice to give me a personalized discount code. It's Wagner18 for 18% off, so make sure to use it because it saves you money. I've ordered 10 pieces and all of them will be linked in the bio, plus my body references so you can see how they fit on my body, because I just thought that that would be helpful. I don't know. Oh my god, guys, there's so much stuff. Wow. So I'm just gonna grab the first item that I see and let's get into it. Okay, so this is gonna be jeans. Wow. Oh no, they will be too big. I know it. But like, look at them. They're so pretty. Wait, I'm gonna make it work. Let's try it on. They kind of, wait. Oh my god, they fit me. Guys, this never happens. I know I'm kind of overreacting, but this is crazy. Like, you can go watch every single haul that I made previously and there's not a single pair of pants that would fit me. And look at this. My mind is blown. Wow. Oh, and I love the pockets because see, they like tilt, so it kind of makes my booty look better than it does. Also, I'm like very flat in the booty, so as you can see, it doesn't really like, yeah, it's just my booty is not there. So this is how they look on the website. They're called the Classic Blue Wash Boyfriend Jeans, and I got it in a size small. I got it in a size small. Wow. So that is surprising actually, because I'm in size extra small in, you know, like normally, like in European sizing. So if you're from Europe or America, I would probably size up. But if you're a size extra small and have a similar, you know, body measurements as I do, go get the small one because that's just amazing. Anyways, let's do another pair of pants. I also got a pair of white jeans because again, I don't own white jeans because, as I said, like, it's just way too much work to find a pair that fits me right. They look too big, but we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best, okay? Guys, I'm really trying not to freak out. Like, I'm trying to stay calm as possible because I know that I kind of get annoying when I'm excited. Do you see this? This is a size small. They're 37 euros, so they are cheaper than the blue jeans. I would say they are very similarly made. Like, maybe these ones are a little bit like lighter than the blue jeans. Also, I just have to say both of these jeans are not made from like a very sturdy, heavy, not stretchy at all material. These are not stretchy, but they are definitely like a light fabric. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, yeah, they're very much more breathable than like my Levi's, for example. These are amazing. I think I will wear them like all throughout summer because they are white, perfect for pairing with anything. Wait, I'm gonna show you the fit a little bit more. They are this wide leg fit. Again, my booty doesn't really exist in them, but that's fine, you know, that's just the fit. But yeah. Okay, wait, so I have a lot of pants, so maybe let's try a top. Oh yeah, this is a corset top. I'm a little bit skeptical about this one, I have to say, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't like this that much. It's like a little corset top, but it's not like the typical corset material. Like, it doesn't have boning. It's kind of like a fake corset top, you know? It's just like a normal stretchy tank top. So yeah, don't expect that when buying this. Wait, I'm gonna take my bra off to see. Oh, that's surprising. Okay, I thought it would be see-through, but it's not, which is great. This is how it looks from the back. Honestly, it's not so bad. See, this is how it looked on the website. But I mean, I don't know, look at me and look at her. It's maybe because of my body, but I just, I mean, it's 13 euros, which is not bad, but like, would I buy it again? I don't know. Like, it looks cute, okay? Don't get me wrong, but I think it will look much more flattering on somebody who would have like smaller boobs, because I have like C cups or D cups, something like that. So if you have like B's or A's, I think this will look really, really good on you, and I probably would purchase it if I had smaller boobs. But just because of my boobies, I don't think I would purchase it again, okay? My opinion, moving on. Then we have this, which is a set. It's like a loungewear set. It's like a sweatpants and a sweatshirt. Oh my god, wait, the fabric. Wow, it's like a velvet green fabric and it's so soft. Oh my god, wait, let me try it on. Oh my god, guys, these are the pants. Are they a little bit short on me? Maybe, but we will make it work because they are just so comfortable that I don't care, okay? I will wear this till I die. This is so comfortable. I can't believe this. Wow. Okay, this is how the hoodie looks. Oh. I know I look a little bit like a frog, but I don't care because I'm so comfy. I don't know, like, it's just the best velvet material that I've ever touched. It's so comfortable. And it's not the same on the inside. Like, see? It's this material on the outside, which is super comfortable, and then it's like a normal stretchy material. Oh my god, I just realized my nails match, but that doesn't matter. It's just this like normal material, but still, like, it's super comfortable. Guys, I am in love with this. I have no idea how this is going so well. It's 60 euros, but like, you get 2 pieces. So like, I think it's really well. Also, as I said, it's so comfortable that I'm speechless basically. They're so freaking cute. Wait, does this make my guys, this actually, oh my god! Is it just me, or like, do these pants make me look like I have some booty? I'm so shook. I got 2 more pairs of sweatpants and I want to open this one next. It's a velvet high-waisted pair of sweatpants. This is so cool. They again fit me so well. The only thing is that I just don't like how short they are. I wish they were like 3 centimeters longer, but that's probably just because I'm long. I'm not long, I mean tall. But I mean, it's okay. I just love the color. They have this little thing on the back, which I don't know what it means, but honestly, I don't mind. I kind of wish I would size up on these, honestly, because I like how they fit this model right there, because it seems like they're a little bit like oversized on her. Anyways, let's open another pair of pants. This time we have these layered sweatpants. Oh my god, they look great. Wait, let me try it on. So freaking cute, guys. I don't know how. They're high-waisted. They kind of fit me a little bit too tight around the thighs, but they are sweatpants, so they're stretchy, so it's fine. The length of these is perfect. Like, they just go perfectly down to my heels, so it's super, super great. I love how high-waisted they are because I can eat and I don't have to care about my food baby. So, wow, I'm so pleased with these. They're not as comfortable as the velvet pairs because obviously it's not made from a velvet fabric, but they're still super, super comfortable. So, do recommend. Okay, the next thing is this. I have no idea what this is. It looks like a white top. I don't know about this top. It's very cute, but again, I think this is meant for somebody who doesn't have C or D cups, because my boobs just don't fit this top. As you can see, this little button is like hanging on by a thread. Also, it like keeps riding up and my boobs just don't fit into here, so but it's so freaking cute and I'm honestly very sad that it doesn't fit me. Another thing, I was surprised that these little button loops are made from like a stretchy material, which is actually pretty good. Oh, and the straps are not adjustable, which I think would be a little bit more helpful in my situation, but whatever. Okay, the next top that we have is this green top. I'm so excited to try this because I've seen this all over Pinterest. It's this one. Wait, let me try it on. I really love the sleeves. Look how long they are. Like, if I would tie my hair up and like wear this with like a mini skirt. I have a mini skirt. Wait, I'm gonna put the next item on, which is this. It's like a brown mini skirt. Oh, this is really mini. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on. I think that will look great. Alrighty, so this is the full ensemble. Honestly, I like this. I was a little bit skeptical about this at first because of the tie. Like, I thought that, you know, it's see-through, it has just one tie in the front. And, you know, for somebody with bigger boobies, that sounds like a nightmare. But honestly, this is good. But I think also this would look super, super cute with just like light wash blue jeans or like a white tennis skirt. But even with this, I feel like I look like a little fairy. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about the skirt now. As you can see, it has this little lacing going on in the front, and it's actually like a belt. Like, you can see, you can loosen it and then you can cinch it. Also, it has built-in shorts, which is so good because, as I said, this looks super, super mini, you know. Let me try to put this like the other way around because I kind of like how it looks from the back a little bit more than from the front just because of the belt. So let me try that. Voila! And I was right. You can wear it both ways around. See, the belt is right there. Also, another thing that I forgot to mention, it has a zipper on the side, so that's just very easy to get in. And yeah, I really love this. I love how this looks. I feel like a fairy that's ready to go to a forest. What? Oh my god, I just realized we have only one more piece of clothing left. And it's also like the most funky one, which I've been keeping for the last because I'm so excited to see how it will fit. It's this super cute flowery mini dress. This is how it looks. Honestly, I think it looks cute. The only thing is that I will like tighten it a little bit so it fits me like well in the waist, so it's not like loose like this. Honestly, I like it. I just know that this will look like 100% times better with a tan. Like, I just look so pale that this just does not look that great on me. Like, in the reference photo, the model is so tan and it looks so good on her. And I just look like a freaking piece of spaghetti, so. Okay guys, so quick recap, what do we need to know about Emmiol before purchasing anything from them? First of all, if you're used to European or American sizing, size up. As I said, I'm used to being extra small, extra small, and all of the pants that I got were in size small, and some of them were even like a little bit too small on me, so yeah, make sure to size up. So that's number one. Second thing, if you have bigger boobies, I do not really recommend buying any of those tank tops because, as I said, like the cami and the corset top that I got, in my opinion, didn't really look good on bigger boobies. So yeah, I would be a little bit hesitant about that. However, the green blouse, just, that was a chef's kiss. That looks great. So yeah. Anyways, would I personally repurchase anything from Emmiol? I would be a little bit more conscious about the tops because of my boobies. I would size up, and I would honestly purchase more pants because like the pants that I got are so good, and all of the other things that I got, like not counting pants, they're good, but like the pants are the best. Make sure to check the links in my bio if you're interested in anything that I got. Also, make sure to use the discount code. It's Wagner18 for 18% off, so make sure to use it. The Emmiol website is also linked in the bio. That is it. If you like the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe because it helps my channel to grow and it makes me really happy. Also, if you have a minute, go check out my Instagram. I post daily outfit inspo on there. If you have another minute, go check out my TikTok. I just post silly videos on there. And then if you're from Europe, go check out my Vinted. I just sell some of my old clothes on there for very, very cheap because I just need to get rid of them, so make sure to check it out. And other than that, that is it. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day or whatever you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. So yeah, bye!